Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a Windows application that is perfect if you are using multiple monitors and you want to control the brightness of each monitor from your computer itself without touching the physical button. The application is the Twinkle Tray. You can download it either from the official website, that is this one, TwinkleTray.com, or you can download it from your Microsoft Store. Before using this application, there are main things that needs to be noted. That is, it only works in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And in your monitor settings, your DDC/CI should be enabled. So it will help you to control the contrast, volume, or the display using the software. So make sure that these two requirements are met. And after that, all you have to do is to download it and install it just like any other Windows application. And after installing, you will see an icon here at the taskbar. You have to click on it. And as you can see, I have two monitors. Both the monitors are shown here. And I can easily adjust the brightness of both using this slider here. And not just that, you can also get lots of options in your settings. For example, if you want to launch it at startup, you can do this. And also it can apply the brightness at your startup too. And there are options to change the icon style. And even you can check that the monitor settings are shown here. The application communication, this needs to be enabled in your monitor so that this software can work properly. And you can also adjust the brightness of your monitor based on your time. So you can set that coordinates here so that it will automatically adjust it according to this. And there are options for hotkey. And you can also make profiles. For example, if you select the gaming profile, then one monitor might have a higher brightness than the other. So you can just do that here. And this is just the regular update options. So this is one of the applications that is very useful if you are working with multiple monitors or dual monitors, just like I did. And yeah, you can just download it using this website and use it on your computer. Thank you.